how to withdraw money from Forex Royale app to bank account. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, we will need to log into our Forex Royale account. So you want to open up the app and log in with your credentials. Next, we will navigate to the withdrawal section. So once we've logged in, you will need to look for a section titled withdrawal or withdrawals or funds. And this section should be found under the main account settings or in the wallet area of the app. The third step, we will be selecting our preferred withdrawal method. So you should be able to choose between bank transfers or cryptocurrencies, PayPal, Skrill, or other apps. Next, you will need to enter your bank account details or your details for the withdrawal method which you have chosen. Specify the amount to withdraw, so type the amount that you want to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal, so if you need to provide any necessary information. And after you have confirmed the withdrawal, you will just wait for the withdrawal, if it's possible, to withdraw from Forex Royale. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.